Phew.
To bring you these rare, never-before-seen images of the terrible and carnivorous razor-toothed monkeys of the Tierra del Fuego.
Gee, what a brave adventurer.
The hungry creatures have set upon a giant Gillisaurian lizard and are viciously devouring it. The mad monkey's ravenous appetites and homicidal cravings appear to be finally satiated. A peaceful calm returns to the jungle as my crew thankfully remains undetected by the...
Huh? Kumbaya, that sounds like those kittens from next door. Uh-oh, Sharky's broken his chain and is about to eat those defenseless little kittens. This way, Mushi, Cushi and Ed.
Saddam Pez Kamel. The librarian's head has popped off. Saddam Pez Libzala Bolibuli. The lemming is driving recklessly. Libzala Bolibuli.
We'll just have to wait till he gets tired and goes home.
Well, from the looks of him, I think we're gonna be here for a while.
What the heck were you guys doing over there in Sharky's yard anyway? Don't you know he's dangerous?
Well, yeah.
You could have wound up with some serious abrasions.
It was Mushi's idea.
Oh, we were just looking for some adventure, Eek. Our little kitten lives are pretty dull.
Didn't you ever want to look for adventure when you were little Eek?
Well, gee, come to think of it, I did have an adventure once.
Tell us, Eek. Come on, tell us.
Tell us a story.
Yeah, tell us.
Well, I guess we have time for one little story.
Yeah!
Let's see, I remember a time when I was a young kitten. I was visiting my Uncle Mac Teagle. Uncle Mac was a great inventor and often asked me for help.
Now look here, you great Denver Hayden.
Hi, Uncle McTeagle. What's he doing?
Isn't it obvious, laddie? I'm working on a better mousetrap. Now please be quitting with the bothering and be off with you.
Is there anything I can do to help, Uncle McTeagle? Is there?
No, laddie, no. If you're wanting to watch, why don't you make yourself scarce over there and don't be touching anything.
You mean like this, Uncle Mac? I shouldn't touch this?
No!
Kumbaya, it's a magnificent machine.
Get me out of here, laddie.
You sure I can't help, Uncle Mac? There's nothing I can do?
What you can do, laddie, is never do that again.
So what?
Pull the lever, laddie, pull the lever.
Sure, Uncle Mac.
No!
Uh-oh, Uncle Mac. Looks like this device has a few glitches that still need to be ironed out, huh? Can I help? Can I, huh? Can I?
Actually, laddie, I really could use your help. Do you know anything about treasure hunting?
Well, not much, really.
Good. Well, guess what I have here? A treasure map, laddie. It's a blinking treasure map.
A blinking treasure map? Where's the eyes?
It's a real treasure map. If you follow it, you'll find a real pirate treasure. Diamonds, rubies, a king's ransom enough to finance me inventions for years to come, laddie.
Kumbaya.
That's right, laddie. Now, don't you be coming back till you got yourself some pirate booty.
Booty? I thought I was looking for treasure, not shoes.
No, laddie. You be looking for real pirate's treasure. And like a real pirate, You shouldn't return until you find it.
Wow, real pirate treasure. I won't fail, Unc.
That's a good boy. Now off you go. That shall keep the lad occupied for 4 or 5 months.
Boy, this is great that I can help out Uncle Mac. Gee, for an old treasure map, this ink seems pretty fresh. Now, let's see. The first thing I'm supposed to look for is some kind of windmill. Hey, that's the windmill! Oh, boy, this is gonna be easier than I thought.
Hey, I don't remember that kitty being an obstacle on this hole. Probably bounced the ball off its head, right? Yeah, hole in one. Your turn.
Hey, that kitty obstacle's moving. He's headed for the windmill.
Ha ha, you'll never hit it now.
Oh, yeah? Watch this.
Ouch! Kumbaya! Now I'm supposed to take 900 paces to the right and look for the big X. Kumbaya! The big X! Gee, I've gotten this far and haven't even come up against any dangerous characters. What the? Gee, some kids must have misplaced their pigskin. Uh-oh, barbarians! And they're after this kid's football! I think I lost him. I'm in.
But I can't help thinking of what happened to the Titanic.
No, squishy lips, don't you worry that pretty little cranium of yours. Today's modern luxury liners are virtually unsinkable.
Uh-oh, something tells me that was a bad thing. Well, in a situation like this, there's only one thing to do. 100 million bottles of milk on the wall, 100 million bottles of milk. You take one down and pass it around. 99,999 million bottles of milk on the wall. 2 bottles of milk on the wall. 2 bottles of milk. You take one down and pass it around. 1 bottle of milk on the wall.
It's hot. Are we there yet? I'm really hot.
I have to go to the bathroom.
If the captain hadn't taken the time to set Stumpy Bart adrift, we'd probably be home by now.
I'm sick of crackers.
Oh, you guys aren't talking about mutiny again, are you?
Well, gee, Captain, I mean, when you said Stumpy Bart adrift, he did curse all of us and vowed he'd return to see you burn in the hot place.
Oh, man, Stumpy Bart was set adrift 2 years ago. He's in Davy Jones's locker by now. Don't give up. We'll find treasure eventually. Doggone it, we're the whining pirates of Tortuga, and
we never give up.
Unless we're too tired.
Oh, no! We hit something!
Oh, great. I'll bet my whole dried bug collection fell over.
Boy, am I glad I ran into you guys. I've been adrift forever.
Oh, no! It's Stumpy Bart come for revenge.
Whoa! You'll never catch me, accursed Spectre!
I'm not going in there. That water looks cold.
Oh, please, Stumpy Bart, don't hurt us.
We're just humble, whining pirates.
What can we do to win your favor?
Oh, I don't know. Wanna come with me to look for treasure? I've gotta try and find some so my Uncle McEagle can pay for his inventions. He's an inventor, you know, and he...
Glory be! This looks like the map that leads to the haunted isle of Marlania, the island of the Cyclops, and the forbidden temple of Big Zilla.
It is! It is!
Kumbaya!
Oh, man, you put in your nest, huh?
huh? What? What did you do?
Oh, is that where you want us to be sailing to, Captain? Shall we set sail for Merlania?
Well, sure, if that's where the treasure is.
All right. We'll do as you please. Just don't hurt us.
Don't make us work too hard.
Well, gee, I wouldn't do that, you guys.
Oh, Captain Eek, you are just and fair, and we will sail this craft to wherever you please.
Hooray for Captain Eek! Hooray!
Oh, a pirate's life is a grand old life. It's a little hot and stinky. We sweat and whine and raise our mugs and pray that we don't sinky. We bite our nails as we sail into the burning sun. We're getting chafed and chapped and sore. This really isn't fun.
And nothing fun ever happens to us. I wish I was back at home. I hate being a pirate. Hey, you guys! Land ho!
Yippee! Don't forget the map.
Oh, my shoes are gonna fill up with sand. I just know it.
Come on, guys. It looks like we should go this way.
Say, why am I always last in line?
You. I am.
I am.
You think you got it bad. Try eating crackers all your life.
Gee, fellas, feel free to go first. I don't mind.
Thanks. I feel really special now.
Oh, yeah, me too. First in line. Oh, what a sensation.
Oh, great. Quicksand.
We're doomed.
We'll never get out.
Fear not, whining pirates. I once read somewhere that the key to surviving quicksand is to remain perfectly still. Kumbaya! Hold on, whining pirates! All right, whining pirates, now pull! No, I meant the other pirates. Quick, Peg, give me a hand. Hook. Phew.
I'm dirty.
My clothes are ruined.
We've got to get through this jungle and somehow get to the top of that volcano where the Forbidden Temple is.
Well, we better get going, even though my feet hurt.
Boy, there sure are a lot of mosquitoes around here.
I'm being eaten alive.
Not me. I used my smarts and slathered every inch of my epidermis with mosquito repellent. I'm fine.
Oh, look, honey, pirates!
Every time we picnic.
I hate these things, all those eyes. Ew, get the spray, get the spray.
It's getting so you can't get through a weekend anymore. Honey, there's one on you!
Get it off, get it off! This way, whining pirates!
This is kind of a fuzzy little pirate. I'll bet it tastes good.
Don't be gross. Look at that thing, those eyes. More than one. It's wrong. Ew.
Gonna eat it, gonna eat it.
Ew. Stop it, stop it, stop it.
Huh? Well, will you look at this, honey?
Your contact lens.
Hey, I can see again. This is great. I've been looking for this thing for years. Everything's so much clearer. So much clearer. I owe you a debt of thanks, little pirate pal.
Not at all, Mr. Cyclops. It never hurts to help.
Well, there must be something I can do for you.
Well, me and the pirates here are trying to get up to the top of that volcano to try and find treasure.
Well, heck, I can get you up there with no trouble at all.
Really? That'd be swell.
Sure, hop on.
Thanks for the lift, Mr. Cyclops. My corns were killing me.
It's about time we took a little rest.
This is really swell of you, Mr. Cyclops. I've never ridden on a Cyclops before.
Don't mention it. You say you want to go all the way to the top, huh?
Yes, if it's not too far out of your way.
Not at all. Bye! What a nice little people.
Hey, you guys! That must be the bridge that leads to the Cave of Bugs.
What stinks?
Oh, no. I've heard legends about this, but I never thought it was real.
What?
It's the lost valley of the river of man-eating gym socks.
Follow me, men. Step exactly where I step.
They've gone to a better place, laddie.
Really? This must be the cave. Come on, men. Gee, it's kind of dark and spooky in here. We'd better light a match.
Please put it out. Just put it out.
Look, whining pirates.
This is it.
What?
The treasure, laddie. It's the lost temple of Big Zilla. Legend has it that thousands of years ago, the temple was protected by a giant reptile known as Big Zilla.
Kumbaya, look! Gosh, there's enough treasure here to keep Uncle Mac in inventions for a lifetime.
And it's ours for the pilfering, although it looks really heavy.
I'm glad Big Zilla was only a legend.
Oh, sure it was, Captain Kitty. We're a few thousand years too late to tangle with such a nefarious-sounding creature.
Say, Peg seems to want to tell us something.
Just humor the man, laddie. Go, man, go.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't think Peg's dancing. I think he's pointing.
Oh?
The angry monster chased us far and wide.
Lizard is so mean. Kumbaya.
Hey, thanks, little fella. I feel so much better. I must have had that thing stuck in my foot for 1,000 years. It made me very irritable.
It was no trouble at all, Mr. Zilla.
You know, I'm so grateful I'm gonna let you keep the treasure.
Gee, really? Hooray! We'll split it up right down the middle, pirates.
Yay.
Hi, Unc. I'm back, and boy, what an adventure I had.
Back so soon, eh?
Yeah, boy, it was fun. There were pirates and monsters and a big island, a giant lizard, and a clown on a camel.
Really?
Yeah, thanks. It was really fun. Let me know if you ever find another one of those nifty maps again.
Oh, you can count on it, lad.
Well, here's your treasure. Guess I better get home. My mom's probably got dinner ready by now. So long.
Hoot, man. What an imagination. Pirates, desert, clowns, giant lizards, treasure.
And Uncle Mac used the treasure to invent one of the most important marvels of the century. The spring-loaded, reusable toothpick.
Pirates.
Man-eating gym socks.
Big Zilla? Yeah, right.
What's the matter? Don't you believe me?
You're a funny catty, but we're kittens, not dodo birds.
Yeah, come on, you guys. We can get out of here now. Shark Dog's finally gone.
Yeah, maybe Big Zilla scared him away.
Pardon me there, fellas. I was wondering if you'd seen my friend, Eek the cat.